Okay, well this is a big day for the Morris Minor. It's heading off to the paint shop and pretty much ready to go. All the smaller panels, the bonnet and everything are already over there. Now we're towing down the tub and we'll let them work their magic in terms of going ahead and smoothing this body out and then getting it back to teal blue. I'm going to miss it, but it's going to be gone for quite a while. Yeah, here we are. We got it here at the paint shop, and we're going to disappear for 4 to 6 weeks while they do their magic, blocking it, painting it, color sanding it. So I'm looking forward to it. Well, it turns out it was a gross underestimation how long it would be at the paint shop, and in any case, I had no time to work on the car. I had traveled to Canada to spend time with family and friends. I had work in the UK, including spending time amongst the dreaming spires of Oxford and passing Longwell Street, passing by the original Morris garages. Singapore, working there, spending time in the city and the rainforest. I had work up in the White Mountains of California, 14,000 feet, at a little research station I direct. Spending time with my friends and colleagues. I had training, which I was way behind on after the pandemic. And finally, back again to winter and skiing. 16 months later and... Well, the big day has arrived, and here is the Morris Minor Traveler back from the paint shop. And look at that. You are not going to get those kind of gaps. You're not going to get that kind of fit coming out of the factory, I can guarantee you that. And you're not going to get that kind of a finish on the factory paint job. But it's the right color and it is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Mouth-wateringly gorgeously done. And I think pretty darn correctly done there. And we finished again that bottom part there exactly as the factory would have done it. Look at how beautiful all the floors and everything are in there. I mean, beautiful, beautiful Traveler, and so exciting to finally see it delivered here by David and his crew.